Good morning, student of class 4. How are you? I hope you all are well. Student, take out your book, open page number 68. Take one pencil and one rough copy with you. And at the time when you are watching the video, if you have any doubt, you can note down that doubt in your rough copy so that on the next day in your online doubt session you can ask your doubt with your teacher. So student, let reach let see what we have done, recapitulate what we have done in our previous video. So in our previous video, student, we are discussing the book exercises of the chapter number 11, and we have completed question number 1, that is question number 1, tick the correct answer, and this question is of a MCQ question, multiple choice question. For the one question 4 answers are given, and out of 4 you have to choose the right answer. This we have completed in our previous video, and after that we are doing question number B, fill in the blanks. Okay, so we have done the first fill in the blanks of the book, that the process of digging out minerals from the earth is called mining. So let's start with the question number 2 of fill in the blanks. Today date is 31/7/2020 and chapter number 11. We are doing fill in the blanks. Question number 2. Delta is a dash shaped island at the dash of a river. Okay, now see student, what is the fill in the blanks? A delta is a dash shaped island at the dash of a river. So first of all, student, please understand what is the meaning of this word delta. What is the meaning of this word delta? See student, when the rivers are coming from the mountains, Himalayas, ठीक है, जब rivers Himalayas से आती हैं, so what's happened at the end when the river enters into the sea? Is it clear? What happens when the rivers are coming from the Himalayas, and what is the last point of the river? When they enters into the sea. So at that time, student, what happens? These river, which I have already explained you when I am teaching you this chapter, when these rivers are coming from the Himalayas, then they also carry many sediments. Many sediments also come with the river water. Now what's happened when the river enters in the ocean? These sediments which are brought by the river, ये जो sediments है, रॉक पार्टिकल्स हैं, माउंटेन सॉइल है जिसको मैंने सिल्ट बताया था. इज इट क्लियर? तो बहुत से सेडिमेंट जब रिवर के संग आते हैं by flowing of the river, then what's happened when the rivers enter the sea? So see student, at that time it start depositing. Deposit मतलब जमा करना, जो sediment लेके आए हैं उसे डिपॉजिट करना, जमा करने स्टार्ट करते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? एंड इट इज डिपॉजिट इन अ ट्रायंगुलर शेप आइलैंड. इट इज डिपॉजिट इन ए ट्रायंगुलर शेप island. see the river start depositing these what are these are what are these are sediments, these are sediments which are brought by the river when the rivers are coming from the Himalayas. Okay, so these sediments are start, यहाँ पे ये क्या हो रहे हैं, डिपॉजिट हो रहे हैं. what is going on here, डिपॉजिट. these sediments are डिपॉजिट. ठीक है, ये सेडिमेंट डिपॉजिट होते जाते हैं, जमा होते जाते हैं. इसी से क्या बनता है, लैंड बनता है. इसी से लैंड बना और इसी लैंड्स को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, दिस इज वेरी फर्टाइल. और इसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं, डेल्टा. इसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं, डेल्टा. इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? सो अ डेल्टा इज अ डैश शेप्ड आइलैंड. सो व्हाट टाइप ऑफ ए आइलैंड आई हैव मेड हियर, which shape island you all are able to see in the board. So this shape which you have already studied in mathematics also, this shape is known as a triangle. This shape is known as triangle shape. So a delta is a dash shaped island. What will be the answer, triangular shape island. TRIANGULAR. Is it clear? A delta is a triangular shaped island. Now next question is, where the river is forming this delta, what that known as shaped island, at the dash of a river. At the dash of a river, it means here the river is start entering the sea or ocean. So this place is known as the mouth of a river. This place is known as mouth of a river. So what will the answer will come here, mouth. So the answer is mouth. A delta is a triangular shaped island at the mouth of a river. This I have already shown you in the form of a diagram also, this triangular shape, and see all the sediment deposit, and from this side the water, this is the water, what, this is the water of the river, this is the water of a river which enters in the which enters sea or ocean. Is it clear? Which enters in, you can write it also, which enter in sea or ocean. So this is the fill in the blanks. Okay, note down this answer from the board. Note down this answer from the board. See, second one we have completed. Now what is the third? What is the third fill in the blanks? Dash is used for cooking. So in this question, very simple question, I know you know the answer. Yes, anyone can guess the answer. What is the answer of this question? Okay, right answer. Dash is used for cooking. LPG. And full form of LPG is liquefied petroleum gas. The full form of LPG is liquefied petroleum gas. Okay, and see this gas, when I explained you about petroleum, crude oil. So when you take out these oil from the well, at that time you also take out the gas also. ठीक है, तब उसमें से गैस भी निकलती है. ठीक है, एंड दिस गैस इज यूज फॉर कुकिंग. दिस गैस इज यूज फॉर कुकिंग. एलपीजी, लिक्विफाइड पेट्रोलियम गैस. नोट डाउन. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. trees that remain green throughout the year are called dash. So student, when I am explaining you different types of a forest in India, ठीक है, जब हम इंडिया के फॉरेस्ट के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, different types of a forest in India. So at that time I explained you what types of trees are found in these forest. I explained you evergreen forest, deciduous forest, thorny and scrub forest, and then I explained you mountain forest, and then I explained you tidal forest, or you can also say mangrove forest. Okay, so student, trees that remain green throughout the year are called evergreen tree. Is it clear? Note down. Trees that remain green throughout the year are called evergreen. Are called evergreen. So student, and what is the quality of this type of tree? That I have already explained you. These trees are very tall. ठीक है, एवरेज हाइट एक ली गई है, 60 फीट से भी लंबे होते हैं यहाँ के पेड़. 60 फीट से भी ज्यादा लंबे होते हैं यहाँ के पेड़. ओके, एंड अनदर क्वालिटी ऑफ दिस ट्रीज दैट the leaves of these trees are always green. That is the reason we also say that evergreen forest. Is it clear? So note down. Now see question number C. Okay, all of you see page number 69. We have to, name of the forest is given, and you have to write the names of the trees found in this forest, and also you have to write the state. So student, name of the trees I will write on the board, but I will not write the name of the state on the board. You are surprised to know why? बेटा मैं इसलिए नहीं लिख रहा हूं क्योंकि जब मैंने आप लोग को टाइप ऑफ फॉरेस्ट, ओके, व्हाट आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फॉरेस्ट आर फाउंड इन इंडिया, जब मैंने तुम्हें पढ़ाया था तो मेनी टाइम्स मैं बोलता हूं कि ऑलवेज सिट विद द रफ कॉपी एंड नोट डाउन द इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स फ्रॉम द बोर्ड. ठीक है, एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट की ट्रीज कहाँ होती हैं एंड एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट कहाँ कहाँ पाए जाते हैं, मैंने उसका नाम लिखवाया था. Deciduous forests are in which state of India? I have written on the board. All the forests, where, what are the qualities of the tree and in which area these forests are found, all the things I have written on the board. So student, I will write only the name of the tree but not the state. Reason is that I want to check it that you are watching the videos और you are writing the things from the board. Because बहुत सी चीजें बुक में बहुत शॉर्ट में दी होती हैं, बट फॉर योर गुड नॉलेज जो एक्स्ट्रा थिंग्स होती हैं दैट वी राइट ऑन द बोर्ड. व्हेन आई टीच यू टाइप्स ऑफ फॉरेस्ट, I have written name of all the states on the board in which area these forests are found, whether it is a evergreen forest, deciduous forest, thorny and scrub forest, mountain forest and tidal forest. At that time I have written all the names of the state. So this is a homework for you. Name of the trees I am writing and name of the state you will write, so that I can check whether you are always I speak, note down the important points on the board. So let me check whether you are writing my important points or not. Even if you are unable to write, then in the online session you can ask me, I give you the answer, but here I will not write on the board. Okay, so just note down the name of the trees. First is evergreen. First is evergreen. So what are the trees which are found in these forests? That are you can note down the answer: rosewood, and ebony. The trees which are found in evergreen forest, that is rosewood and ebony. Then second one, deciduous. So what type of trees are found in deciduous forest? That is teak, sal and mahua. Is it clear? Teak, sal and mahua. These are the names of the trees which are found in deciduous forest. Then note down the third one, thorny and scrub. Scrub. The name of the trees are kikkar and babul. Kikkar and babul. This was the name of the trees found in thorny and scrub forest. Okay. Then mountain forest. Mountain forest, the trees which are found in these areas are cheer, deodar and pine. Okay, so these are the trees which are found in mountain forest. Is it clear? Note down from the board. Or even when you will study types of forest in India, from there also you will get the names of the tree, but you will not get the name of the state. If you have watched my video, then you will get name of all the states in which state these types of trees are found. Is it clear? So tidal forest, fifth one, tidal forest, or even you can write so the tree found in this region are mangrove. Is it clear? So the trees which are found in this region, that is mangrove tree. Is it clear to all of you? So student, please note down all the exercises in your classwork in your book. You will not write book exercises in the classwork copy. In classwork copy you will write only question answers and you will draw the diagrams. Now let's start with question number D. Small sand sediment created by rivers. Small sand sediments small sand sediments created by rivers. So you know that when the mountains, rivers are coming from the Himalayas, at that time they bring lot of sediments with them. Is it clear? So what they are known as small sand sediments created by rivers. What are known as? That is alluvial soil. So small sand sediment, and due to this also student, northern plains are very fertile. They are also known as a food bowl of India. ठीक है, सबसे ज्यादा क्रॉप्स इसी एरियाज में लगती हैं. ठीक है, तो दैट इज द रीजन द सॉइल विच इज इन अ नॉर्दर्न प्लेस, that is a very fertile soil, and this is known as alluvial soil. And this soil is brought by the Himalayan, the rivers which are coming from the Himalayas, the rivers which are coming from the Himalayas. So note down. Next question is food bowl of India. Okay, which is known as the food bowl of India. सबसे ज्यादा क्रॉप्स प्रोडक्शन यहीं पे होता है. Which is known as, that is northern plains. अभी जस्ट बताया ना, alluvial soil, this is brought by the rivers which are coming from the Himalayas, and due to these rivers northern plains are very fertile. Is it clear? Due to alluvial soil. Okay, so food bowl of India is known as northern plains. Note down from the board. Then third question, fertile triangular shaped island. फर्टाइल मतलब बहुत उपजाऊ. ठीक है, जहां बहुत सी क्रॉप होगी. फर्टाइल ट्रायंगुलर शेप्ड आइलैंड. तो ये मैंने आप लोग को बताया ही है अभी जस्ट पहले कि व्हेन द रिवर वाटर इंटर द सी वाटर एट दैट टाइम व्हाट डू द फ्रॉम द माउथ ऑफ द रिवर ऑल द सेडिमेंट्स deposit in a triangular shape. In a triangular shape, all the sediments which are brought by the Himalayas rivers, so at the time when they enter, जब वो किसमें इंटर कर रहे हैं, सी में या ओशन में, तो अपने संग जो सेडिमेंट्स लाए हैं दैट इज नोन, उनको क्या कर रहा है, रिवर अपने माउथ से वहां पे सबको डिपॉजिट कर रही है, डिपॉजिट कर रही है. इज इट क्लियर? एंड ड्यू टू दिस the very fertile land form, and this is known as delta. This is known as delta. This is known as delta. Completed? Okay, very good. Then see student, question number 4. A domesticated animal. Okay, you have to write the name. Domesticated animals means, मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था when I am teaching about the animals natural places where they are living is the forest. But see, we human beings are very clever. We tamed some animals. Tame मतलब हमें एनिमल्स को वश में करना आ गया, और जो एनिमल्स हमारे लिए खतरनाक नहीं थे, that animal which are not dangerous for us, so what we do, we tame that animals, हम उन्हें वश में करना आ गया, तो हमने उन्हें क्या, डोमेस्टिकेटेड एनिमल बना लिया, हम अपने साथ उन्हें रखने लगे. ठीक है, तो देयर आर वेरी मेनी एनिमल्स which are domesticated by the human beings: cow, buffalo, horse, donkey, camel. So there are many names, but you have to write only any one name you can write. So that is the reason I am writing the name of animal cow. Is it clear? क्योंकि इसने सिर्फ बोला कोई domesticated animal का नाम लिखो. Is not asking write the name of all the animals, domesticated animals. That is the reason I have written only one single name, that is cow. Now next, ठीक है, डोमेस्टिकेटेड मीनिंग क्लियर हो गया ना, जिसे हमने अपने साथ रखना स्टार्ट कर दिया. ठीक है, सो उनके लिए भी हमने शेल्टर बनाए. इज इट क्लियर? सो काउज लिव इन अ शेड, हॉर्स के लिए क्या होता है, स्टेबल होता है. इज इट क्लियर? सो नाउ फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. See, we know that there are many natural resources and our life is not possible without these natural resources. That is the reason we have to protect these natural resources. Is it clear? Because if these types of natural resources are not found, then our life is also not exist on this planet. Is it clear? So protection of natural resources is known as, protection of natural resources is known as conservation. What it is known as? Conservation. Conservation. note down from the board. I hope all the things which you have written from the board you are able to understand. Thank you student and have a nice day.